Imagination, innovation, the continual pursuit of what's next. It's what propels us forward each and every day, and the driving force behind everything we do. It's the reason over a dozen businesses and thousands of employees choose to make Cecil Airport their home, and why you should consider Cecil for your next home, your next opportunity, your next chapter. Because Cecil is more than just an airport. We're aviation's next frontier. Touchdown in the warm, welcoming city of Jacksonville and prepare to take off, as Northeast Florida has quickly become one of the fastest growing regions in the United States. From the eclectic and vibrant neighborhoods of Jacksonville to the surrounding communities, businesses who call Jacksonville their home benefit from easy access to a highly educated and skilled workforce, including the third largest military population in the nation, and nearly 3,000 skilled veterans returning to the region's public sector every year, making it even easier to staff for what's next right now. In fact, planning for what comes next has always been a part of Cecil's DNA. Since opening in 1942 during the Second World War, Cecil has continued to put a focus on transformation and reinvention, evolving from a naval air station to a master jet base to one of the most successful base realignment and closure projects, driven by a $220 million investment from the Jacksonville Aviation Authority. Today, Cecil has proudly become home to some of the biggest and best in the aviation and aerospace industry. Here, companies benefit from one of the most business-friendly environments, with pro-business tax and regulation policies as well as no personal state income tax. And Cecil doesn't just make financial sense, it makes logistical sense. With easy access to major road and rail networks, 3 deepwater seaports, and an international airport, plus 34 million Americans within just an 8-hour drive. On site, Cecil operates 4 major runways, including the third longest in Florida, allowing us to handle any aircraft in the world. It's these runways, with direct access to an expansive taxiway system, that make Cecil the ideal location for a variety of aeronautical businesses. Plus, with roughly 1.7 million square feet of existing hangar and office space, expansive greenfield sites, a full-service fixed-base operator, and a new air traffic control tower, we're well positioned to help get your next opportunity off the ground easily and efficiently. But at Cecil, our mission goes even further. As one of the only FAA-licensed horizontal launch commercial spaceports in the United States, our massive runway is just one of the reasons we're rocketing to the forefront of the commercial space industry. At Cecil Spaceport, you'll have access to a brand new 1,800 square foot plug-and-play mission control center to make operations effortless. Beyond that, Cecil Spaceport offers a rocket motor test stand, an 18,000 square foot spaceport hangar with a 60,000 square foot purpose-built apron, and over 300 acres of land reserved exclusively for spaceport development. So as you prepare to take your next step, your next leap, Cecil Airport and Spaceport is here to support your mission and help your business reach the next level through imagination, innovation, and location. It's what makes Cecil Airport and Spaceport the next frontier for aviation, and how together we can help you reach your next frontier here on Earth and beyond.